let's talk about the connection between our food and blood sugar and type 2 diabetes. When we eat, our food is broken down into three primary macronutrients: protein, fat, and starches. Now, let's say we order a hamburger. And on our hamburger, we have a protein source. Let's say it's turkey, let's say it's beef, let's say steak or lamb. We also have our vegetables, which is spinach, lettuce, tomatoes, let's say pickles, let's say onions. We also have our bun, whether it's wheat or white bread. And then we may have like a fat, so either cheese or avocado or even some mayonnaise. Those components of that hamburger is broken down into those food groups: proteins, starch, and fat. So the protein is broken down even further into amino acids. The fat is broken even further down into lipids, phospholipids, and then the starch is broken down into sugar. That glucose serves as an energy source for all processes within our body. The issue with type 2 diabetes is that as we eat, that insulin is released from our pancreas and it's sent off to do its job, which is to pick up that blood sugar and extend it out to all the areas of the body that need it as an energy source. Because someone is pre-diabetic or type 2 diabetic, that insulin is not as sensitive as it should be. It's resistant. Therefore, instead of glucose being picked up by the insulin and extended out to all the parts of the body that need it, it is actually being built up in the bloodstream, negatively impacting our arteries, negatively impacting different vital organs in our body. So the goal with someone who is pre-diabetic or even type 2 diabetic is to increase the insulin sensitivity. And we can do that by extending and using lifestyle modifications such as exercise, such as healthful and mindful eating, as well as reducing sedentary behavior. There's so many things we can do to make our insulin more sensitive. And we're going to get to that in the next few videos.